As a young person, you may struggle with finding your self-identity or knowing who you really are. This is because we all tend to view ourselves and judge ourselves based on the labels we've been stuck with through our lives. Labels like lazy, smart, sporty, clever, loser. These labels, particularly the negative ones, can becloud your judgment and stop you from connecting with who you truly are. Your experiences and expectations from other people like your parents, siblings, teachers, or friends can also influence how you see yourself or who you think you are. Remember that who you want to be is not the same as who you really are. Here are 5 steps you can take to find your true self. First, take a moment to keep still and evaluate yourself honestly by asking yourself the following questions. It works better if you write them down on a piece of paper. 1. What am I really good at? 2. What do I really enjoy doing? 3. What am I passionate about? 4. What are my values and beliefs? 5. What are my strengths and weaknesses? Finding out what you're good at is one step towards finding your strengths and weaknesses. Why is it important for you to know who you really are? Because knowing your true self helps you to love and accept yourself for who you really are, which is beneficial to your mental health and well-being. Knowing who you really are stops you from defining yourself based on other people's opinions or expectations of who you should be. Who you are is not set in stone, and understanding your true self gives you the power to change the things you don't like about yourself. Watch out for my next video where I will explain how to find out your strengths and weaknesses. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Take good care of you and see you next week.